Hi guys, this is not a lesson about peyote stitch. This is me want to share with you how I collect beads on my bead mat when I have this mess. I mean, nobody likes to put the beads aside after finished project. That's really boring thing to do. And I will show you my way. Maybe you will find it useful and do it like that. If you find some other way, please inform me how you are doing it. What is easier, and faster than this one. So, first of all, I use this type of lid. I take from some, I take that lid from some tube, this one, and then I just drive that lid all over my mat and collect the beads. So here we have a lot of different beads, and now you just choose. I just put the lid over one bead, for example this one, but I have it here, so I just collect them with the lid and I drive them to some spot. Now I see I have here 15s. I drive them there. Now let's say this is 11 delica, this is another 11 delica. So you can, now I have two 15s, I drive them here. This is 11, those are delicas. Now it's not always easy to see because now I have golden delicas. I have 11 round seed bead. Those are delicas going there, those two there. I have one crystal, so I can also go like this and drive them to the spot. Now just drive your lid over and you're going to collect them. I think this is the most fastest what I till now found out. And I am more than 15 years in beading, enjoying this. Really, I enjoy beading, but yeah, this I don't enjoy. This is something I was trying to think how to make something. What I saw a lot of ideas how people are doing, but no, I'm not satisfied. I need something really spectacular. Like something you put it over it. Some machine you put over your bead mat, and that machine just sucked all the beads of the same color and size, and that machine is so clever that they can separate all the beads, and yeah, it's this is really I'm going to probably make this faster, maybe not. I just chit chat now with you just for you to see my pain, because you're going to be in the same pain when you start to work and when you start seriously to make your jewelry. So now you should see what is the not fancy part of beading. And because I want to share with you everything, I'm also not only the nice things. We are sharing, how to say, good and less good, or yeah. I'm going to share that also with you. We are now connected in this beading world. So you see, it's not that. It's not that difficult. You will need practice, of course. You will need how to, how I am all the time with my hand going around to pick them all the same color. But I'm really trying to be faster than usually. I'm done. You see? I have them. I have them all. Oh, this one is here. So, and then, oops, now this tube doesn't have that. And then what I do, I lay down this tube and then I just put them back. This is one. Then I have the other one on the same way. I just put them back in the tube. Oh, this one is not from this one. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm going to collect them all. This is the way I do it. Good to share that too, yeah? It's not all pleasure. So, see you in the next lesson.